Hello everybody, welcome back to Romaniacs at 2018. Now a very quick status update on where we are on off-road day one. It's approximately 7:15 in the morning. I am at Spectator Point 2. I left the start area this morning just with the time and the distance that I had to travel, so I'd get down here and see what I can get. I've seen some of the pros come through along with some of the silver class and the bronze class. The conditions at the moment are absolutely slippy as hell. You can imagine with all that rain we had last night. It's pretty grim for the riders and making going very difficult. But I've got a few clips from here with no live stream at the moment because of the lack of mobile phone signal, so it's going to be video uploads. So here are a few clips from Spectator Point 2. I'm now going to head up to the service point and try and check in with the guys up there. So stay tuned for more updates. Red Bull Romaniacs 2018 with Hard Enduro Media.
Tracy. Tiny bit. You okay?
You alright?